I'm taking a video.
Cheese.
Cheese.
What a hand.
Good job. Go ahead. Let me see you. Let me see you walk around.
Go ahead, walk.
Go ahead. Walk around.
Let me see you walk. All right, she took it.
Yep. We're done.
Look at me.
We've raised a little ham. Huh?
What is that? Huh? Are those Sarah's shoes?
Yeah. No. The other foot. This one goes here.
That you gotta show Becky. Okay?
Look at he's trying to go like this.
Can you do it?
Yep. He's doing it. Watch. Here. I'll hold your hand. I'll hold your hand. Go ahead.
Oh, there you go. Good job. Oh, my. Careful. Careful.
This is the best.
Jeez.
He did it himself.
There you
I
go.
didn't do
That's
it.
easier, right?
He did it.
Jesus God.
He's got a belt
What's
on.
wrong with him?
You're so good.
Why don't you give him a purse?
Wow. Wow. Good job, Vincent. Good job. I think he likes being able to put them on.
Yes.
You know, like
He likes
figuring it out.
Now he wants to do everything, you know what I mean? Like, he saw me wear my BOOTS's in the bedroom, and he went right in after I took them off. I
Look
put 'em
at him walking.
Yeah.
He looks like he's like.
Mom rakes the leaves, he's got a rake. You know what he does? He helps her water the flower.
Yep.
He wanted to put his milk in the damn thing. I told her in the
You're a good boy.
Man, you were really good at that. Good job.